Hello everyone! So we start off today's video with this IKEA hack. So she grabbed 4 plant pots for this. I think she did different sizes too. Yeah, so she did 2 shorter one, 2 longer one, painted it black. Oh wow. I love her space. This is absolutely beautiful, so relaxing. Hello everyone, once again, my name is Danielle, and if you are new to Design Trend Seeker, around here we like to take a look at the latest DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have someone making another table. Now that first table that we saw was definitely a lot easier than this one. I would say if you have like an intermediate amount of experience, you could probably tackle this one as well. Yeah, I take that back. You might need to be advanced because she's doing a lot of cutting with this. Oh, I really like that shape. I've been seeing this on Pinterest. Kind of looks like a flower. And she has this pastel peach color, very nice for the painting. Oh, that is cute. Wow. Oh my goodness, that is just adorable. I'm picturing this in pink. So pretty. Tissue box from Michaels. So I guess she's just gonna spray paint this. Another easy DIY. This is actually pretty cool, and you could do like your own paint design. That would be really pretty. Oh, she's adding gold. And gems. Oh, wow. Okay, so just the matte black to me was like, okay, this is a nice DIY. This completely elevated the look. Wow, that is so gorgeous. Wow, absolutely incredible. So pretty. Alright, so we had another DIY table design. So this is another very popular like silhouette that we're seeing. So she's using like these small terracotta pots for this. Stacking them together. This seems like it would be like a really long lasting too, because those pots are sturdy, very durable. Really pretty peach color, white at the bottom, creating like an ombre effect. Oh, that is so cute. Very nice. Oh, wow. Okay, so you can double it up as like an actual pot for your plants. I like it better as a side table though. Very nice. Alright, so then we have a furniture flip. This is a big desk. Oh, that came out phenomenal. Beautifully done. Alright, so I thought this was cute. Like, most of us love Starbucks coffee, so here's how someone designed their own little, like, Starbucks cup. And also, if you don't want to make this, you can buy it off of Etsy. I see so many, like, cute designs on there. This is cute though. I really like the purple color that she has. So everyone kind of goes for like this aged look for these pots. And I like the fact that these are so like tall and they have like a nice design on them. A lot of texture. These came out amazing. Oh, we have a DIY featuring some towels. Oh, is she making her own towel design? And I told you guys like a video or two ago that I was gonna look for some videos with some towels, so here you go. This is how you make your own worded towel. This looks like a lot of work. I'd rather just buy the towels. You can get them from Home Goods or... Very nice. It's cute though. It looks like a lot of work. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.